I love you, Lord.
Happy birthday, Hero, Eggplant, Berting, kung ano man tawag sa'yo.
I've been held in your hand.
Be successful and super proud kasi syempre working student ka.
Until I lay my head. Oh,
Simula bata, magkasama naman na tayo.
Happy birthday, Hero! Binata na talaga yung panganay ni Mabel at saka ni Herbert.
Wala lang, nakaka-overwhelm lang kasi sinama mo ako sa special day mo which is yung debut mo. And
Happy birthday, Tol. Enjoy mo lang yung gabing to. Tapos magbago ka na and stay what you are. Yan lang, Tol.
oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Lagi ko nakikita yung magiging blessing mo sa family na lagi mo silang tinitreat.
Led me through the fire, and in darkest night, you were close like
And Hero, wish ko po sa'yo lahat ng dreams at saka goal mo ay makamit mo.
you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God.
So, sana maging mabuti ka lang na anak at maging mabuti para sa mga magulang.
My life, you have been faithful.
Hero, happy birthday! Malaki ka na. Marami ka ng desisyon na ginagawa sa buhay mo.
Been so, so good.
I hope that at this stage of your life, you are beginning to understand the value of money.
Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yeah.
Talagang galak na galak po ako dahil napakabait po talaga ng Panginoong Diyos na buhay.
Especially sa akin kapatid na bunso, tinupad niya yung pangarap ko. At ang Diyos, yung pinapanalangin ko sa Kanya, binigay niya.